we need to scrap or reform the Media Act. The Media Act is supposed to professionalize journalism through conformity to the rules, but the Act does nothing for training and development or journalist attrition. So I don't know, maybe someone can tell me, how does the Media Act address journalist attrition or lack of training? Right? The Media Act was put forward as our main instrument for improving professionalism. I don't know how well a job it is doing. As I was saying, right, but the Act does nothing for training and development or journalist attrition. In fact, the Act may be exacerbating attrition. Why else does Fiji have the highest journalist turnover rate, according to our research, right? Because Fiji is able to pay its journalists relatively better than other Pacific Island countries, yet we have the highest journalist attrition rate. Is there a link between journalist attrition in Fiji and the Media Act? There's another research that has to be conducted maybe in future. We are also recommending to distribute state advertising evenly among media organizations. And finally, we are saying allocate public service broadcast grants fairly among broadcasters, again to remove any financial incentive to report overly positive on the government. Sharing the revenue, advertising revenue, public service broadcasting equally among media organizations will also strengthen them financially, right? Because we believe that the return on profit for media organizations is not high enough for them to retain staff, right? So all the financial support they can get will be much appreciated. If the goal is to improve coverage, we need to address these weaknesses I have outlined. All right, thank you.